Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a cast iron skillet cookware. So anyway, my wife got this out of Macy. It was on sale for $43.99 plus tax. I think the retail price on this was like more than $100, and it was like 60% off. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what's it look like. I think this is one of the MACDADDY Stewart cookware. It is quite heavy. Oh my god. It says collector's enameled cast iron. This is 11-inch, 28-centimeter grill pan by MACDADDY Stewart. Oh, there's an invoice. So here's the description right there, and then the price, $43.99 plus $3.85 for the tax. So total is $47.84. Okay. So this one has a limited lifetime warranty. And it says hand wash only. It is not dishwasher safe. Yeah, so after you hand wash, you need to dry with your cloth right away, or else this cast iron is gonna be rusted. So yeah, you gotta be careful. And this one is also oven safe, and it is made in China. Three way to use your grill pan, meats, sides, and dessert. MACDADDY Stewart collection. MACDADDY Stewart collection upside down. Oh, so heavy. And here's the barcode, customer return label. What? Creative living with the right cooking tools. Everything you create in the kitchen is better. The MACDADDY Stewart collection puts the best products in your hands, along with my indispensable recipe and how-tos. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. box within a box again. Holy, oh my god, oh, oh my goodness, this one is very heavy. Helpful tips. Oh my god, this is so heavy. How are you gonna wash this? Crazy. Oh. And then you have the model Stewart. It's embossed it. There's like a serial number right there or something. And it's like a red color. But right here it is darker, almost like a burgundy color. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.